Welcome back to the Dr. Jeffrey Tauth Heart Talk Show, and today's show is called Dr. Jeffrey Tauth Heart Health Habits That Save Lives. And trust me, it's juicier than your cousin's peach cobbler. Your heart beats 100,000 times every single day, but are you giving it what it needs to keep going strong? Today we're breaking down the simple daily habits that could add years to your life. And folks, I'm talking about habits so simple your goldfish could probably do them. Well, maybe not the goldfish, but you get the idea. Let's start with habit number 1, move your body daily. Now, I know what you're thinking. Dr. Tauth, I don't have time to become a marathon runner. Relax, I'm not asking you to become the next Olympic sprinter. Just 30 minutes of walking reduces heart disease risk by 35%. Yep, entirely true. I can't make this stuff up. That's less time than it takes to watch your favorite sitcom. Here's where it gets fun. Take the stairs instead of elevators. Your heart will thank you, and you'll avoid that awkward elevator small talk about the weather. Park further away from store entrances. I call this the lazy person's workout because you're tricking yourself into exercise while running errands. Dance while cooking dinner. Your family might think you've lost it, but your arteries will be doing their own happy dance. Remember, your heart is a muscle. Use it or lose it. It's like that gym membership you paid for but never used, except your heart doesn't charge monthly fees and actually keeps you alive. But movement is just the beginning. Let's talk about feeding your heart right, because what you eat can either be medicine or poison, and I'm hoping you're not accidentally poisoning yourself with every meal. Omega-3 rich fish twice per week. We're talking salmon, mackerel, sardines. If you're making a face right now thinking about sardines, maybe I should see you in the clinic. We need to talk. A handful of nuts daily, and I mean almonds and walnuts, not the mixed nuts that are 90% peanuts. Those are powerhouses for your heart. Colorful vegetables with every meal. The more your plate looks like a rainbow, the happier your heart gets. Limit processed foods and added sugars. I know, this is where I lose half my audience. But think Mediterranean diet, it's proven to cut heart attacks by 30%. That's not just good news, that's cancel your life insurance increase good news. Now here's something that might surprise you. We need to talk about managing your stress, because chronic stress literally damages your arteries. I'm not being dramatic here, stress is like having a tiny demolition crew working on your blood vessels 24/7. Deep breathing for just 5 minutes daily lowers blood pressure. It's free, it works anywhere, and you don't need a prescription. Quality sleep for 7 to 8 hours nightly gives your heart time to repair itself. Think of sleep as your heart's personal maintenance crew. Social connections reduce heart disease risk by 50%. Yep, entirely true. Having friends isn't just fun, it's literally life-saving. So call your buddy, text your sister, or join that book club you've been thinking about. Find your stress outlet, meditation, hobbies, or exercise. Whatever works for you, just don't let stress eat you alive from the inside out. Let me tell you about one of my patients. This 55-year-old executive came to see me looking like he'd been hit by a truck made of deadlines and coffee. He reversed his prediabetes and dropped his cholesterol 40 points in 6 months. No medications, just 3 simple changes. 20-minute morning walks. He started listening to podcasts during his walks, so he actually looked forward to them. He swapped his afternoon vending machine attacks for mixed nuts, and he started a 10-minute bedtime meditation routine using a phone app. That's it. 3 changes, 6 months, completely different health picture. The guy went from being a walking heart attack waiting to happen to having better numbers than men half his age. When I showed him his new lab results, he actually teared up. That's the power of small, consistent changes. So here's what I want you to do. Pick just one habit from today's episode and commit to it for the next 7 days. Not all 3, not some complicated overhaul of your entire life. Just one. Small, consistent actions create life-changing results. Your future self will thank you, and more importantly, your heart will keep beating strong for decades to come. This has been the Dr. Jeffrey Tauth Heart Talk Show. Until next time, stay healthy. And remember, if you're looking for answers, check out drjeffreytauth.us.com. Later, y'all.